How to fix verification code not received problem. So hello friends, once again welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, before we get started, I would like to request you all to please do subscribe this YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive latest videos notification from Android Tips. So friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix Twitter verification code not received problem. So friends, I won't be showing you exactly how to do that. I won't show you exactly by doing myself because I know I won't be facing this problem right now. So I will only explain you how to fix this problem, and I will only explain you. So I hope you can do that. So friends, if you are facing this problem, you just need to watch this video till the end and listen to my explanation how to fix with this problem. So if you are facing this problem, if you are logging in with your Twitter account while you are logging in with your Twitter account, so if you have set your Twitter account with authentication verification, so you have to enter your OTP, your verification code to login in with your Twitter account. So sometimes we don't receive the verification code because of some few reasons. The first thing, do not try many times login in with your Twitter account if you're not receiving your verification code. Just wait for few minutes and be aware that if you try many times to login in with your Twitter account, your account may get locked for 24 hours, sometimes 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours, sometimes 7 days. So you have to wait for 7 days so that after that you will receive your verification code in your number or your email. So do not try many times if you're not receiving the verification code. You just try once or twice. Once you didn't receive, try twice, and even twice you didn't receive, just wait for a few minutes, you will receive the verification code. But actually, I'll show you. If you're not receiving the verification code, I'll show you how to fix with this problem. So you just need to go to settings and then scroll down and go to apps. You can see here apps and go to manage apps and search for message application here. Message, simply search message. You can see messaging. So friends, you just need to clear the data of this messaging application. You just need to clear the data of the messaging application. Sometimes we may not receive the verification code because of this messaging application, because due to some bugs problems in messaging application. So you just need to clear the data of this messaging application and go to messaging and do some, just agree, allow the permissions, and then just try once to log in with your Twitter account and you may receive the verification code. So friends, that's it, and that's how we fix the problem. So friends, that's it. Thanks for watching this video.